everyone, this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be unboxing the June 2020 Mixed Media Inspired subscription box from Junction. So the first thing you see in the box is this insert that goes over what is included in the box. It also gives you an exclusive discount code to the store. So the first part you're going to see is a 6x6 stencil with all these different geometric designs. Next are 3 sheets of washi tape collage. Now these are random strips of washi I had in my stash that I placed on the paper here and then cut it up. You can stamp on it, you can cut it apart. The sky's the limit with this. Then there's a pack of arrow-themed ephemera. Now these can be used as titles. You can write on the inside of it. You can paint them. There's lots of possibilities with these as well. Next are 3 colors in the warm color palette of the Dilutions paint, and these are Fiery Sunset, Desert Sand, and Lemon Drop. Next is a package of ephemera from the Vicky Boutine line, and this particular set of ephemera has lots of larger sizes, which are great when you're working in art journals, and there's 50 pieces that are included in this set, so lots of creative possibilities. Next we have the Tim Holtz Ideology 4x6 fabric journal. Now this journal is made entirely of canvas, and the pages inside have different widths so that you have lots of different textures within the project. You can collage in the journal, you can sew, lots of different things you can do with this. And the collectible pin for this month says Nature Inspires Me with hand-drawn doodled leaves. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to learn how you can be a part of the Mixed Media Inspired subscription and get these boxes to your door every month, check out the description below. I'll put all the information there. Have a wonderful day.